Welcome back. We're getting some breaking news. BJP MLC insults decorated Karnataka government official, says officer works for Congress, maybe from Pakistan. BJP MLC has been booked and he has also issued apology for the remark. The BJP MLC said that Kalaburgi Deputy Commissioner Fozia may be from Pakistan. This is what the BJP MLC said. And Prime Minister Modi's restrained diktat has been lost on this Neta. Kalaburgi DC Fozia Tarannum was among 22 recipients of Best Electoral Practices Award given by President. So BJP MLC has stoked a row. He has insulted decorated Karnataka government official, said that officer works for Congress, maybe from Pakistan. The BJP MLC has been booked and issued an apology for the remark as well. Remember, just days ago, Prime Minister Modi had asked all the BJP leaders to refrain from making careless statements. But this another case coming to the fore. Let's listen in to what the BJP MLC said.
ಡಿಸಿ ಕಚೇರಿ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಡಿಸಿ ಕಚೇರಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಡಿಸಿಯಾಗಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಡಿಸಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು. ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದಾರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ IAS ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಬಹುಶಃ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಂಪಾಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಅವ್ರು ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಸಿ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಕೂಡಲೇ ನೈತಿಕ ಹೊಣೆಯನ್ನ ಹೊತ್ತು, ಓಕೆ ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬ ದಲಿತ ಸಮಾಜದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಇದೆ.
I don't know how they fail to understand that you're addressing, you're criticizing another brother or sister of your country. Should they not have this sense? It is unfortunate. I would only appeal to Mr. Ravi Kumar to withdraw such remark.
And my colleague Sagai Raj is joining us on this story. Sagai, could you give us more context to the controversial remark that was made by the BJP MLC?
If you notice that the BJP leaders were protesting in Kalburgi after leader of opposition from Legislative Council, Chalwadi Narayan Swamy was locked up inside Pravasi Mandir in Kalburgi when the Congress supporters have get out for his statement where he had called Priyanka Kharge a dog. And subsequently, the BJP leaders had protested, and while protesting, Ravi Kumar has targeted the DC, District Commissioner of Kalburgi district, stating that where she has gone, why she didn't come to the rescue of the opposition party leader in the Legislative Council. And that's when he has criticized her, stating that probably he is from Pakistan. Remember that Fauziya is one of those decorated IAS officers. She was award winner from the president, and this particular statement has not gone well with the ruling party, which has criticized Ravi Kumar's statement where he has called the district commissioner of Kalburgi as a Pakistani.
Right. Also, Sagai, what action can be expected against the BJP MLC next?
There is already an FIR which has been registered against BJP MLC Ravi Kumar on the same, and the police have taken up this issue and a complaint has been registered, and subsequently an FIR has been registered against BJP MLC Ravi Kumar.
And how has the Congress party reacted to these remarks?
The Congress party has criticized Ravi Kumar, stating that this particular statement of Ravi Kumar shows the culture of him, and they have also shocked to hear these kind of statements from Ravi Kumar, and they have taken head-on against him, stating that this is not the first time that Ravi Kumar has made these kind of statements. Even in the past, he had made these kind of statements, and calling a district commissioner as a Pakistani has not gone well. Even the IAS Association have criticized this particular statement of Ravi Kumar.
All right. Sagai, do stay with us. We're now being joined by Ravi Kumar from the BJP. Ravi Kumar ji, ये statement सामने आ रहा है जो एक गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल के बारे में बोला गया है. प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने कुछ दिन पहले ही बोला कि ऐसे केयरलेस स्टेटमेंट से बीजेपी लीडर्स को बचना चाहिए, लेकिन उसका कोई असर नहीं दिखा. Ravi Kumar from the BJP is with us on this controversial remark coming to the fore from the BJP MLC. Mr. Ravi Kumar, this statement is coming just days after Prime Minister Modi had asked all the BJP leaders to refrain from making such careless statements. But clearly, it has been clearly ignored by the BJP with this statement coming to the fore against the government official.
Yes, definitely it is wrong. What I given that statement, it is wrong. So that's why I already apologized to that my statement.
Right. And also, what action will the party be taking? Any action against the MLC for this controversial remark?
So already I am spoken. What I spoken on that day, it is not good for officials. So that's why I apologize. So then it is not come to take action.
But what was the entire matter? What led to you making this controversial remark against the decorated government official?
So that's why I already मैं ऑलरेडी पूछा हूँ, मैं क्षमा पूछा हूँ, इसलिए मैडम को भी मैं लेटर लिखा हूँ और एसोसिएशन को भी मैं वो स्टेटमेंट भेजा।
पर रवि कुमार जी, आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि इन स्टेटमेंट्स के बाद जो ऑफिसर्स होते हैं उनका मोराल काफी डाउन होता है? ऐसे स्टेटमेंट्स जो पॉलिटिकल
करेक्ट है, इसलिए मैं क्षमा पूछा हूँ, इसलिए आप इसको एंड करिए। हमारे जैसा पार्टी ऐसा नहीं बताना था, मैं बता दिया, मेरा तरफ से मैं क्षमा पूछता।
All right, so that was BJP MLC and Ravi Kumar apologizing on the broadcast, speaking exclusively to India Today after the controversial remark that he made against the Karnataka's decorated government official who was also awarded from the president. We are showing you the visuals. Let's also once again listen into what he said.
ಡಿಸಿ ಕಚೇರಿ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಡಿಸಿ ಕಚೇರಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಡಿಸಿ ಆಗಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಡಿಸಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು. ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದಾರೋ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ IAS ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಆಗಿದಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಬಹುಶಃ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಅವ್ರು ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಸಿ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಅವರು ಕೂಡಲೇ ನೈತಿಕ ಹೊಣೆಯನ್ನ ಹೊತ್ತು, ಓಕೆ ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬ ದಲಿತ ಸಮಾಜದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ನನಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಇದೆ,